Hi there, Lisa here with Green Fox Farms Designs. Today I would like to show you how to make a treble crochet. This video is part of my Learn to Crochet series I have published on my blog, greenfoxfarmsdesigns.com. And this is kind of our next step, our Beyond Basic stitch, the first one we're doing, the treble crochet. So let's go ahead and get started. I've made a few stitches here already, but I'm going to show you how to make one yourself. So to begin with, what's different about a treble crochet is that you're going to yarn over twice before you insert your hook. So go ahead and yarn over twice and then insert your hook into the next stitch or chain, yarn over again and pull up a loop. Now you end up with 4 stitches on your hook. We're going to yarn over again and pull through just those first 2 like you would for a double crochet. Yarn over again and just pull through the first 2 loops again. And then you're going to yarn over a third time and pull through the last 2 loops. So that's how a treble crochet is different from a double crochet. It's very similar, but just a couple extra steps. So let's try that again. Yarn over twice, insert your hook and yarn over again, pull up a loop. You've got 4 loops on your hook. Yarn over, pull through just those first 2 loops, and you've got 3 loops left. Yarn over again, pull through just those first 2 loops. You're left with 2 loops on your hook. Yarn over one last time and pull through those 2 remaining loops. Another treble crochet completed. Yarn over twice, insert your hook, yarn over and pull up a loop. You've got 4 loops. Yarn over, pull through the first 2 loops, leave 3 on your hook, yarn over again, pull through just those first 2 loops, leaving 2 loops on your hook, and yarn over one last time, pull through the last 2 loops, and another treble crochet completed. We'll do one more and then I'm going to show you how to chain and turn your work. So 2 yarn overs, insert your hook, yarn over and pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through the first 2 loops, yarn over again, pull through the second 2 loops, yarn over one last time and pull through those last 2 loops. So when we are going to turn with treble crochet, we're going to chain 4 instead of 3, turn our work, and then you're going to go ahead and start working back down the row. Pull up a loop. You got 4 loops, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through the last 2. So just keep working like that. And you can see that these stitches are a bit longer than a double crochet, and there's also a bit more space. So while this is a really fast stitch to work with, it's something, that you have to take into consideration. And most designs that are going to use a treble crochet will be something that, the spaces are okay, like maybe a blanket, a spring hat, a sweater, that sort of thing. So that is how you do a treble crochet. Please let me know if you have any questions. You can leave a comment here or on my blog. I will leave a link to a photo tutorial for the treble crochet and my Learn to Crochet series to my blog. And if you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe. Again, it's Lisa with Green Fox Farms Designs. Thanks so much for watching and have a great day.